Hello YouTube. So we're here with part 2 of the Scion oil burning. So the trip computer shows 1,000 miles, 1,010 miles actually. We're at 169,686. So it's 1,000 miles since I dumped Berrymans in the crankcase, ran it, and then did an oil change. Driving habits have not changed. So we are about to see what the oil level is at. I'm still driving at 50% highway, 50% city. Still driving it hard-ish. Normal Scion driving. And one thing I did notice is that, like, driving on the highway at 80 miles an hour, the RPMs sit at like 3,000. So she's not like, even on highway driving, she's kind of up there in terms of temp. She's kind of up there in terms of temp. Clean that. Now the engine bay is kind of warm. I want you guys to see this. So we are at, it's kind of hard to see because the oil is so clean, but we are at the halfway point between, it's right there. We're at the halfway point between the two dots. So I'd say we burned half a quart in 1,000 miles, which is so much better. And that is running Berrymans b-12 Chemtool in the crankcase. The oil I used was the Pennzoil Platinum. I mean, I always use solid oil. I wasn't using the Walmart cheap shit, which is pretty good actually still. But half a quart in the span of 1,000 miles, which is so much better than what we were burning before. So much better. When I first started this experiment, we burned through like a quart between like tankfuls of gas, like 400 miles. We would burn a quart. You know, it got to the point where my brother's driving and the low oil light came on, which is when he pulled over and there's like no oil in it. So that is pretty good. I'm gonna run it again. When I go do an oil change in another 1,000 miles, I'm gonna pour more Berrymans in the crankcase, run that again. I'm just happy because this kind of saved me from doing a what's it called? A piston soak. So I'm super happy about that. I am thinking though, the next step in the summer when I get the time is I'm gonna drop it off of my mechanic and I'm gonna pay the $330 for that, like BG. I think it's called like the BG engine flush kit. I think I'm just gonna do it. $330, flush out the engine. I might do it myself if I have the time other than that, but I'm gonna do it once the summer comes. But that is great. Half a quart. Half a fucking quart. I'm gonna top it up though. I'm gonna top it up right now, back to the dot, and clear the trip, the 1,000 miles, and we're gonna run it again. So still in the same oil change, because again, I only put 1,000 miles on the oil change. I'm gonna top it up with the same oil, and then run it another 1,000 miles, and see where we are. And I'll keep you guys updated.